Welcome to Looney Travels, the one and only YouTube about the roads. And are you visiting roads this year and staying in Kiotari? Then this video is for you. Because we are going around Kiotari, we are using electric scooter, you are driving and I am talking. So let's go and look around. Let's see what is the surrounding, where are the hotels and what is here to do and see. And yeah, let's take a drive. And we are using this that you all helped me get, so now it's easier to make videos. So let's go. We are starting our mini travel guide about Kiotari from restaurant area. We have Taverna La Strada here, Stefanos, Il Porto and Pelican's Nest. And also we have some Petalas and some little seaside studios and apartments. So first let's go up the hill. So we make a logical tour around Kiotari. And I'm also dividing Kiotari into 2 videos or 3 videos, because otherwise it would be quite a long video. So this is the Gennadi side Kiotari part, which is very quiet. And if you're visiting Kiotari the first time, then Kiotari is about 60 kilometers from Rhodos city and also 60 kilometers from airport. So it's a 1-hour drive to get here if you have a hotel here or apartment. As you see, Gennadi is 4 kilometers from here and Rhodos 62. And we have Basalis apartments here, which is quite a good location because the shop is near and we are going to the shop at the moment. On this roundabout, 50 meters that way, we have a bus stop, one of the main bus stops here that I use. And a little break. So here we have a hairdresser and Yekaterini Hotel, which is a 3-star hotel. And when I go to vacation somewhere, then this is the kind of place I usually stay, because 3 stars, everything is here, nice pool, nice family-owned business. So this is the place I would definitely book. Over here we can do nails and we can have some good pizza, capi di pizza. And if you have animals with you, then there is a veterinarian here. And here we are. This is one of the main places. If you want to go shopping, have a coffee or ice cream, buy flowers to your wife, because today is 8th of March and it's International Women's Day. So happy Women's Day to everyone. And right next to it you can buy meat if you're renting a villa or staying in a studio or somewhere where you can grill, then this is the place you can come. And over here we have one of the 2 main supermarkets in Kiotari, which is open all year around. And this is Sophos supermarket. This is my home store, so I come here every day. And thanks to this electric scooter, it's way easier to bring water and food from supermarket. Here is also a bus stop if you're staying in Absolute Gyötari Hotel, which is right here. As you see, they are building new houses and villas everywhere. So here we are. Here is the next hotel, which is Absolute Gyötari Resort. And this is like a boutique hotel, small, where you have pool and everything. And as I saw the reviews are really nice, and it has a very good location because wherever you are in Gyötari, Gyötari is a quiet place when you get away from all the noise and everything. And across the Absolute Gyötari Resort we have a Vaia Mediterranean cruise, and this is a cool place. I really liked it because it's owned by two brothers. They are twins, I think. They all look the same, but prices here are a few euros more expensive than anywhere else. But the atmosphere, the lights, the hospitality, the food is amazing. And here I got the biggest plate of tenderloin meat, which was this big. So this is really a really good place, and usually you have to reserve a table here because it's full, because the view is nice, atmosphere is good. And few hundred meters we are reaching the beach. Everyone loves to go to the beach. So let's take a look. Keep in mind that it's March at the moment and all the places are closed, and people are making preparations for the upcoming season. So they are fixing everything, and some things may be out of order, but when the season starts, then everything is good. Here we have the one and only water park in Gyötari. At the moment, as you see, it's empty, but in few months there is a water park above the sea when where like children can jump, and it's a really nice place. And also we have umbrellas here. They are removed during winter time because the waves come way far, and otherwise they would be broken and lost. And also here you can find the kindest people dealing with the water park. They are really lovely people, nice to talk to, very friendly, and you should definitely come here if you come with kids or you want to go jumping yourself. So now we are almost at the end of Gyötari, but I want to show you one more place that they are building at the moment, because due to the wildfires in 2023 This place burned down, so this year they want to get it open, and it's the Lighthouse Gyötari, which is a restaurant, and this is a really cool place. I haven't had a chance to come here myself, but hopefully this season I can come here and make a video, because it looks good. And also I heard very much good positive reviews about this place. Some say it's the best place in South Rhodes, so I want to try it out and see it for myself. Gyötari is full of little villas, apartments, studios. So basically all this area here is full of private villas that you can rent out mostly, with pools and everything. Gyötari is a nice place where you can easily access Lindos with bus, and also Gennadi is near, which is 4 kilometers, and it's a nice little white village with very good food. Gyötari Dreams and Gyötari Akti is here. And if you're looking a way to find a transfer or to find a way how to come to Gyötari, then I put together a partnership, which is a company that I trust, and I know they have a good service, and also I partnered up with them. So if you are interested in getting a little more better price, then you should go to looneytravels.com and find the secret deals there, and you can get nice discounts for island tours, boat trips and everything. And now we have a Sirocco Beach Bar restaurant. This place is full of tables, family run business, and also that's the only place I know they have like beach bar here, where you can rent umbrellas. At the moment, yes, there are none, but they are building it back up. So umbrellas, you can order drinks, cocktails, everything here. So all the beaches in Gyötari are pebble beaches. They are cleaned up, don't worry. When the season starts, you don't see any trash here, because during winter there are heavy waves and storms, and all the beaches are full of wood and plastic and trash, but before the season starts, it's all cleaned up. Petalas Beach Bar. I haven't had a chance to visit this place myself yet, but seems lovely. Good view on the beach. So now we are back at the starting point, and we will go forward. The first taverna is La Strada. This is a family-run taverna, and here I had the best moussaka on the whole island. It just melted in my mouth. The next one is Stefano's Fish Restaurant, and they make dishes with same recipes they used 30 years ago. So this is a very high respected restaurant in Rhodos and Gyötari. If you like seafood, then this is the place you should come, because the presentation is just amazing, and food tastes also really good. So this is a new place, it's Pelican Nest. It's been built at the moment, but here you can take some coffee, ice creams, waffles and so on. And the next one here is my favorite. This is Il Porto. Il Porto is my home restaurant. Very, very good prices, big portions, and very, very friendly owners. So I am really welcomed here. And this is the place I try to come every week or every 2 weeks. And I bring all the friends here. Now we are taking the road where everyone goes running and walking when they come to holiday, because it shows a good scenery, so good views. So basically this is the back road of Kiotari. The next place is Baraktia. This is also a seafront, like villas and apartments. I have seen good pictures with good views from the hotel side. At the moment they are building here also. And from the starting point to where we are going is about 3 kilometers. So yeah, this year this is the like warm-up video for the season. If you are new to this channel, then you should subscribe. And if you're an old watcher and you haven't subscribed, then you should subscribe also. Because we are having a lot of videos about Rhodos. This year I'm trying to visit hotels and make a few reviews of them. And also I want to interview some local restaurants and businesses and hear their stories about why they have this business and what's the story behind it. And also I had a great idea, because you are my loyal viewers. I will start Looney Travels treasure hunt around the island, and I am starting to hide some envelopes everywhere with prices. So if you visit some place and find my envelope, then you get the price. So something interesting for you. And now we have Almare Villas. This is also a very popular place during summer. Amazing views. And its location is very quiet. And mostly you need a car if you come here. So it's easier to go around. A little bit more and we are reaching the Rhodos Princess Beach Spa hotel, which is a very, very popular hotel here in Kiotari, and everyone is asking about it. So at the moment we are seeing the back side of that hotel, and we are finishing this video from the front side. So basically in front of me it's Rhodos Princess Beach and Spa Hotel. During summer lots of activities here, everyone is singing. There are like activities for children and so on. So this is the one exit where you can come out from the hotel. And the second exit is right here because in Gyötari this is the first water sport center place, and also we have a beach restaurant right here, so it's really close and easy to go. Let's see if we can access it. Yes. We'll stop. So basically all the hotel guests come here, and here we have a beach restaurant, and this place is full of umbrellas, and also there is a water sport place, and total there are 5 different water sport locations. This is the most southern one. If you didn't know that, then there is a little train going around Gyötari during summertime. The ticket is €7 for adult and €5 for children. And basically the train is going around Gyötari. And for example, one stopping point was at the water park, and also they make stops along the way, basically the same road we are going. So you can see all the Gyötari, and you can hop off whenever you like. Yeah, this is Rhodos Princess Hotel, beach hotel. I like the palm trees here, they're really nice. A little bit more and we are reaching the main beach in Gyötari. So in front of me there is a main beach in Gyötari. A little bit sandy, a little bit pebbles. And here is the second water sport center. So also you can board the boat in those locations near water sport places, where you can go to Lindos, or you can get a speedboat to Simi, Lindos and so on. So few people ask me where is the Il Ponto restaurant, and here we are. This is Il Ponte, and there is Rhodos Princess Beach Spa. So this is basically right here, right here. So every time I record something, people just stop and watch what I'm doing. Il Ponte restaurant. Very pretty. And if we go up the hill, then we are reaching the main road, Gyötari main road. So this is where all the shops and car rentals and everything is. So it's not far. Here we are, the main road in Gyötari. If you cross the road, then you have to watch yourself because everyone is driving 90 here, even it's 50 area. And I will take a short trip to this place and I can continue with the second part of this video from here. So Mall of Gyötari, this is full of souvenirs, tourist stuff and so on. And also during summer there is a discount supermarket where you can buy all the beer and all the good stuff. This ATM here is one of the best ATMs because it's a Greek bank. You don't pay a lot of fees. It's 1.8 euros for taking out cash or something. And also we have some travel Impress holidays here. Few resto, cafe, bars. You can get gyros here. Pharmacy, jewelry, and also Grey Cafe, known to local people. You can get coffee, sandwiches, breakfast, brunch, everything here. And also some other souvenir shops that are closed at the moment. So let's go forward. If you go forward, then you can find the Marathon rent-a-car place. This is the car rental I use because the prices are good and the terms for renting a car is amazing, and they have cars that are running well and fixed and no problems at all. So this is the place I recommend coming if you want to rent a car. Here's another shopping center, Le Désir. You can find everything here. Beach clothes, jewelry. This is Das Grill. You can get local grill. Here is a place where you can buy perfumes. They have like a perfume cocktail bar or something that you can mix your own. Perfumes, whatever you like. And also you find pharmacies all over the place, so no problem with that. And now in front of me, here is the hotel you are all asking. So this is Rhodos Princess Beach and Spa Hotel. So basically, if we keep driving along this road, then we arrive to Sophos supermarket that we visited earlier. But this is the hotel. They are fixing the roof at the moment. And this is one of the most popular hotels here, as far as people ask about this place. Rhodos Princess Beach and Spa. So it's not far. Basically everything is in walking distance, and also you have a bus stop right here, so you can hop on the bus and go to Lindos, which is 30 minutes bus drive, or you can go to Gennady, which is like 4 kilometers from here. So this was the part 1 for the mini tour around Gyötari. So I hope you liked it. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe because we have great videos coming up. So thank you for watching and have a lovely International Women's Day to all women. See you next time.